You guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nutella Dinero, and today we're going to be looking at Haribo Happy Colors. Now this is everyone's favorite, child or adult. I think these never go out of style because I personally have liked them from childhood up till now. I don't think I'm ever giving this up. No. So I'm going to be trying this Haribo Happy Color candy, and I'm going to give you guys my review. I'm going to open this, and so guys, this is the Haribo Happy Color up close, and it looks really good, I must say. And I cannot wait to test it. Okay, it's 140 calories for every 10 pieces that you consume. So, welcome to the happy world of Haribo. I'm going to dig into this. Okay, so it's time to chop it out. Happy color. Them right here. I can get the scent already. It smells just like Coca-Cola, and this is it. That's one little happy color there. Try to test it. I love the fruitiness of this. I love the gumminess as well. It's like those little gummy bears that you have, and it's a bit chewy. I like the fact that it's really chewy, and it's got that nice sourness to it. So this is a plus for it. It has a very nice sourness, and I really feel the color in it. And it's a nice chewy gummy color. I could chew this forever. Like, I'm literally, I can't stop taking this out of the pack. It's very addictive, I must warn you. So, if you get this for your kids, you probably want to keep it away. If you don't want them to have the whole pack, I can go. But it's very chewy. I like the sourness of it, and it tastes just like a cola. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe, like, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time.